Alright, so I'm going to introduce you to the graphic design app. It's an app that can be used by entrepreneurs, small business owners, content creators, and students. It can also be used for education. So this app is the Canva app. Now, it's a very easy app to use. I'm going to introduce you to the app. This is an Android phone. That means that's so I'm going to download the app from the Google Play Store. If you're using an iPhone, you can download the app from the Apple Store. So you just click on Play Store and you search for Canva. So click install. On your iPhone, you can also do it, click install. The app on first use, it's for free. So you just click install and wait for it to download. So the app has been installed successfully. Now you click on open. Okay. So now you accept all cookies. This is same thing for Android and for iPhone. Now I want to continue with Google because I want to log in with my email account. You can continue with your Facebook account or any other way, any other account you want to continue with. So I'm going to go in with accessories by social email account. Okay, so when you finish installing, downloading, and signing in with your email or any other way you want to, this is what it will show you first. This is just a new feature that's been added to Canva. So this is what they're trying to introduce. So you click this X button. Now this is the Canva app. It can be used for so many things, for so many other things. Now these are some of the things you can use it for. I'm going to go in into all of them and just show you like just the way you can use it. Now you can use it for your documents. This is a new feature on Canva that you can use to type out your documents, your letters, proposals, and other things that you can type out and then print. So this is what it looks like. This is Canva docs. You can design anything that concerns documents. Now, as this Canva is right now, when you just initially download it, this is the free version. This is the free version. So you have access to some things that are limited, but they are all free. You do not have to pay for it. And you can actually make good use of the free version of Canva. So this is the whiteboard section where you can do, if you have a company or you have team members that you want to collaborate with to do presentations and stuff. So this is the section that you use to create your whiteboards and all your ideas coming out to picture. This is what you use: planning whiteboards, team whiteboards, flow charts, and all. Then if you're looking to design something for social media, this is where you come to. Now, for social media includes your Instagram posts, your Facebook posts, Instagram stories, WhatsApp statuses, Facebook covers, Instagram reels. You can do a lot with this app. You can design a lot with this app. Your background photos and others, even your Twitter photos, you can design. Even if you're not on Twitter, you can actually do a design and post on your social media account. But you should be on Twitter to make things good. So next one is you can use Canva for presentations. You can use Canva for your presentations. So you see the way I'm doing this presentation now, talking to you. If I wanted to use this for a presentation, so you can see my face as I'm working on this, I would have to use a laptop. So this is what this presentation is about. You can do presentation just the way I'm teaching you on doing this video for you. Trying to show you how this Canva works. You can do presentations while your face shows, as long as your laptop webcam works properly. You can use this. So this is after using designing it in docs, you can turn it or convert it into a presentation in this form. I've shown you the docs before. Next, you can use Canva to edit and compile videos, different videos. A normal video that they use that you can use for adverts and promotional purposes, your mobile phone video, Facebook videos, even those funny memes video, you can use Canva to design all of those. If you are a YouTuber, you create courses or create information on YouTube, you can also use Canva to do your YouTube thumbnails and design or edit your video. Then you can also use Canva to create websites for your courses, your physical products, and others. You can create a link to your websites, your portfolio websites, event websites, education websites, retail websites, and others. Even your bio link on Facebook, Instagram, and others. Just like in this place now, you can use Canva to create this bio link. Can use Canva to create this. Now, there are so many other things that you can also use Canva for. You can use Canva for your infographics. These are graphic designs are used to give information about a product or some information that you like to pass on to somebody. Probably the do's and don'ts or rules and regulations of things, how you should wash your hands. Like during COVID-19 time, those like calendar stuff that I usually see in hospitals on how to wash hand and stuff, those are infographics. You can use Canva to design those too. You can use Canva for your photo collages, that's to combine your pictures of different things. And you can use for your desktop wallpaper. If you have a laptop and or a desktop and you want to have a fine design when you just open it, you can use Canva for that. Excuse me. You can use Canva for your graphs, book covers. Now this is the app I use to design my book cover, my book Ultimate Guides to Dropshipping. It's not out yet, but this was the app I used to design it. Mind maps, magazine covers, Zoom virtual backgrounds, your calendars. You can do your calendar with this app. You can do so many things with this app that you can just print out and use. Even office reports, planners, proposals, class schedules. There are a lot of things that you can do with the Canva app. You just have to know how to do it. But for the sake of this course, we are going to just um be doing or talking majorly about logos and flyers. But before we go into that, I will continue to introduce you to the Canva app. So let us continue. Now, when you want to do a design, you want to start from scratch and you do not want to use any of the templates here because these are all templates, designs that have been designed done by others that you can edit for your personal use. You click on this plus button to begin a design. Now in this place you can choose the type of design you want to use. You can choose to do a flyer, a logo. So in this format, the size of whatever you want to design is already, once you click on anything, you can just come up for business card. For instance, I want to click on business card or Instagram post. You see this, the format which it should be, which I think for reels is one by one, I think, and other one by one. If it was reels I wanted to design, now the format that it should be originally, that it will fit into the screen of the selected design or the selected app that I want to post it in, will come out automatically, but it will come out in a blank format. So I'll be the one to then fill it in. Now in trying to fill it in, there are certain things that I would want to use. Now this part for design is where you see other templates of others that you can use to create your own or get inspiration from. Then the network is bad, so I can decide to click on any of these. Remember, this is the free version. I can decide to click on this and just edit it. Let's click on this and just edit it. Let's say I want to say something like, thank you for shopping with us. With this exact same design, without having to start from scratch, I can click here and say thank you, and click on the second one and say for shopping, thank you for shopping. Let's just leave it at that. So, well, you can see that this doesn't look very organized, but I'm not going to go into that because this is not the purpose of this video. I just want to show you what you can basically do with this app. You can also go back to this place. Now this is called the elements. I'm not going to go too deep into this will be talked about in another video. But elements is where you can add your lines and shapes, your graphics, stickers, to do a complete design, photos and videos, and other things that you might want to add to your design. Then gallery gives you access to your photos. If you want to add a picture onto your design, you can click on this gallery here. Then uploads, this uploads is for pictures that you have already used on a design before. If you just, maybe your logos or actual pictures of yourself that you have taken before that you want to add to your design, you can simply just upload your file, whatever you want to use, maybe images, videos or audios. Click upload files here and then click on the one that you want to select. If I wanted an image, I'll just click on this. For example, just click on this and it will be uploaded on my Canva app. So whenever I want to use it, all I have to go, I don't know, have to go back to gallery to start selecting it. All I have to do, network is unstable, all I have to do is just click on this image right here and it appears on my design. Now this feature is to add text to your design. This is to add text to your design. You can choose to add heading, subheading, a little body text. Now this heading is for big text when you want to do, like when you want to like the heading of a letter or something. So there's a video strictly for text, so I'm not going to go into that here. Now this feature is where you see your projects, every type of design that you have ever done with the app. If I had done designs with this phone before, you will definitely see them here. So everything you have done with this app is going to show right here. Now this point for apps, these are other apps that you can add to um help you design. There are so many of them that you might want to use. So we have photos, we have styles, we have audios, videos, and others to add background charts and other things. So subsequently in the other videos we're going to see step by step some of these things that you will need to design your logos or your flyers. So let us so right now I want to go back to home. All right, so I'm back on the home page. Now this project is for where you see, this is the part where you see anything that you have ever done on the app, your designs and every other thing. Now Canva Pro, this is where you get the free, the version where you have to pay, to use certain elements and features. So in the next video we're going to talk about this, but first let's go on to continue. Now this part's on menu. The menu is what shows you about your account. Now you can see the name I used to sign in to Canva. This is my business name, Accessories by Social. We have templates, projects, the brands. You can edit your brand kits to make it very easy for you to design. Content planner, you can create a content planner for yourself. smart mockups. You can create a theme. You can there's trash settings. When you come to settings, now under settings we have features like your account, login and security, email preferences, people that can be added to your subscription. That is when you find out when you if you want to use the pro version. Your domain name, you can sometimes I can change these accessories by accessory by clicking on domains. So that is all for introduction to canvas. You can see it's a very simple app that you can use for educational basis, entrepreneurship, as a small business, a content planner or content creator, or any other type of job that you do.